Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to disable text messages notification on iPhone lock screen. First go to settings. Now from here scroll down and tap on notifications. Scroll down further and tap on messages. Tap on messages. Now from here you will see an option lock screen. Tap on it and disable it. Now from here you can also adjust sound and vibration. Tap on sound. From here, if you don't want any sound, choose none. From here you can tap on haptic and also choose none. From here vibrations. So that's it. By following these steps you will successfully disable text message notification from appearing on your iPhone's lock screen. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.